we have found a safe and innovative solution to preserve our history, to eliminate woodworms, which threaten to destroy it. Our mobile microwave chamber is designed to be practical, fast, and above all, effective. The lightweight, modular panels can be easily assembled in less than 20 minutes, a solution that can be adapted to any need. The microwaves quickly penetrate the wood, permanently eliminating insect pests without damaging the material. Once the system is turned on, the touchscreen panel guides the operator with a simple and intuitive interface. It is possible to adjust the power, set the times, and monitor each stage of the process. Safety always comes first. The chamber is equipped with lock keys, an emergency button, micro switches on the doors, and shielded gaskets to prevent dispersion. Every detail is designed to protect both the operator and the working environment. In addition to the chamber, the microwave generator can be used with the telescopic lift to treat beams up to 6 meters high. This configuration allows up to 3 generators to be used simultaneously, ensuring fast and complete treatments. With this system, beams, parquet flooring, and wooden furniture are thoroughly sanitized, eliminating woodworm without the use of chemicals. Technology is important to us, but our customers are even more so. Each project begins with dedicated training to ensure that operators can work independently and safely. Our support team is always available. Whether it's remote support or on-site assistance, we respond quickly and effectively. Furthermore, thanks to our experience in building custom-made industrial kilns, we always have spare parts ready for delivery. This guarantees operational continuity, allowing our customers to never stop working. Every beam, every piece of furniture, every story saved reminds us why we are here: to give wood a future and our customers certainty.